Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to handle no such element exception in Selenium. This error happens when Selenium can't locate an element on a web page, often due to a wrong locator or the element not being loaded yet. We'll focus on an easy, reliable method to prevent this common issue, ensuring your automation scripts run smoothly and efficiently without unexpected failures. A frequent cause of no such element exception is an incorrect or outdated locator. Perhaps the element's ID or class name changed, or your XPath is simply wrong. Another common scenario is trying to interact with an element before it has fully loaded on the page. The solution often involves making your script smarter about waiting for elements to become available. Explicit waits are your best friend here. Instead of a fixed pause, they tell Selenium to wait only until a certain condition is true, like an element becoming visible or clickable. You'll use WebDriver wait in conjunction with expected conditions to specify exactly what you're waiting for. This makes your tests more robust and less prone to timing-related failures. To minimize no such element exception, always verify your locators are accurate and unique. Also, wrap your element interactions in try-except blocks to catch exceptions gracefully, preventing your entire script from crashing. Remember to check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Implementing these practices will significantly improve your Selenium script's reliability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.